Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the blower wheel in this Frigidaire air conditioner, you will need a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver, a 10mm socket, a putty knife, and a thread locking solution. Before you begin, unplug the unit's power cord. To perform this procedure, you will need to fully uninstall the unit from the wall sleeve or window and set it on a sturdy surface. Now pull out the air filter. Use the number 2 Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 2 screws, securing the grill assembly. With the screws unthreaded, use the putty knife to help pry the grill assembly off. Release the control panel wiring from the retainers to provide enough slack to set the grill aside. Next, unthread the 6 screws to release the rear grill if attached. Unthread the lower screws, securing the left and right side air intake screens. Detach the screens from the top to remove. Now unthread the 8 screws, securing the unit's cabinet. With the screws unthreaded, lift the cabinet off. Now cut the foam strip insulation covering the control box cover. Unthread the 3 screws securing the cover. Set the cover aside. Now unthread the upper and lower screws, securing the control box to the frame and base. With the screws unthreaded, shift the box out of the way. Cut the foam strip insulation on the right side of the air duct and peel back the tape at the top. Pull the frame back so you can fully remove the top and middle air duct sections. Use the 10mm socket to unthread the blower wheel mounting nut. Slide off the lock washer and the flat washer. Next, unthread the 2 screws securing the fan motor shroud to the base. You can now tip the fan shroud and condenser back so you can fully remove the old blower wheel. Before you install the new blower wheel, confirm the rear washer is on the motor shaft. Now align the blower wheel on the shaft, then slide on the flat washer and the lock washer. Apply the thread locking solution to the threads of the motor shaft, then thread and tighten the nut. Replace the screws to secure the fan shroud to the base. Reposition the top and middle air duct sections. Fully position the control box. Then rethread the upper and lower screws to secure. Reposition the control box cover and rethread the screws to secure. Realign the cabinet and rethread the 8 screws. Replace the left and right side air intake screens and rethread the lower screws. If applicable, reinstall the rear grille. Secure the control panel wiring in the retainers. Align the top tabs of the grille assembly with the slots in the top edge of the unit and snap the assembly into position. Thread the 2 mounting screws. Keeping the upper lip facing outward, insert the air filter into the front grille slot. Reinstall the unit in the wall sleeve or window as necessary. Plug the power cord back in, and the air conditioner should be ready for use.